In this video, we will create a new purchase order in Nexentis and add a part to it. Purchase orders help organize client work, related parts, delivery dates, files, follow-ups, and inspection activities. From the dashboard, go to the Quick Action section and click Create PO. The purchase order window will open. Before entering the purchase order information, you first need to select the client connected to this PO. Click Search next to the client field. The Search Client window allows you to find an existing client from the Nexentis database. Enter part of the client name in the search field, then click Search. When the matching client appears in the results list, select it. Then click Select. The client will now be attached to the purchase order. After selecting the client, Nexentis returns to the purchase order window. The client name is now filled in. Next, enter the purchase order number, the purchase order name, and the project name. The PO status is set to Open by default. Use the PO number from your internal system or customer documentation. The PO name should be clear enough to identify the work later. The project field can be used to group related purchase orders, parts, inspections, NCRs under the same project. Once the information is complete, click Save. Nexentis will confirm that the purchase order information has been saved. Click OK to continue. The purchase order is now created and ready for parts, files, and follow-up items. After saving the purchase order, additional options become available. You can open the client, close the purchase order, attach files, load PO files, add parts, and create follow-up items. To add a part to this purchase order, click Add Part. The Part window opens. This is where you enter the part name or part number, delivery information, and any notes related to the part. You will also need to define the expected delivery date using the date picker. This date is important, and Nexentis will use it to help keep you on track so the part is delivered on time. You can also add notes to give more context about the part, delivery requirements, or inspection needs. Once the part information is complete, click Save. Nexentis will confirm that the part was saved successfully. Click OK to close the message. The part is now connected to the purchase order. Back in the purchase order window, the new part now appears in the parts for this PO section. You can now open the part again, add files, create an ITP, or continue adding more parts as needed. The purchase order and part are now ready to support your quality workflow. You have now created a purchase order, linked it to a client, and added a part with delivery information. This gives your team a structured starting point for inspections, documentation, follow-ups, NCRs, RFIs, and quality records inside Nexentis. In the next video, we will add an inspection and test plan to a part.